Hi guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery and today we're making kimchi fried rice.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed.
So before we get started, let's run through our ingredients. So first we got kimchi. That's our most important ingredient, obviously, because kimchi fried rice, you could get it at your local Asian grocery store. And next we have rice. Now this is a very important step. After you cook the rice, make sure that you put the rice in the fridge so that it dries up. It makes it so much easier for you to fry out the rice later. And next we got some garnish, which is some seaweed to put on top of your kimchi fried rice to just make it, just to give it a really nice touch. And then we've got garlic to give it a nice flavor. Sesame seeds, same thing, it's a garnish. And then here we have a very nice and special sauce, Gochujang. So what it is, it's a Korean spicy fermented paste. And it's gonna give you kimchi rice a nice flavor, a nice spicy flavor. So the more you put in, the more spicy your rice is gonna be. And lastly, we got sesame oil just to give it a very nice aroma and flavor to our kimchi fried rice. So that's it, let's get started. First step, we're gonna dice up the garlic. Next, we're gonna get the kimchi and chop them into tiny little pieces so that it blends well and nice into the fried rice. Once you're finished, oil up your frying pan in middle heat and put in the garlic. Next, put in your kimchi and we're gonna fry it for a few minutes. So before you put in your rice, put in a little bit more oil because rice is really sticky and you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. So when you're stirring the rice, you want to put in 3 to 4 tablespoons of kimchi juice that's left from your kimchi. And then now put in 1 teaspoon of gochujang. That's going to give your kimchi fried rice a nice spicy flavor. Don't forget to add in your sesame oil as well. So next we're gonna flatten the rice and make a nice even bottom at the base. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna cook the bottom of the rice into like a nice crispy texture. So leave that for a few minutes, and while that's going, we can fry our egg. It's pretty easy, just put in the oil in the medium pan and we're gonna fry the egg sunny side up. So that's it. So what we're gonna do is serve on a plate, put the fried egg on top and garnish it with some seaweed and some sesame seeds.
Okay,
Let's dig in. Buzz that egg.
Oh, that crunchy rice. It replicates like you know, the hot stone bibimbap, like when they make it crispy on the outside.
Yeah. Have a good egg. It's really nice. Let the egg give it a bit of moisture.
It's really good. Lots of flavour. Really that kimchi flavour really just hits you, eh? And the kimchi has so much flavour already, so you don't actually need to add salt. But if you do like it a bit more salty, you can also add salt as well.
If you like this recipe, press like and subscribe down below. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to make you more confident in the kitchen. And we out.